Hi, Shona here from Happy Crafters. Welcome back to my channel. I have another journal here for sale. Will be in my Etsy shop shortly. It's covered in some lovely wallpaper with some pretty birds on. Has some lovely flower material on the side. It is just over 6 inches wide by 9.5 inches long with a 1-inch spine. 3 signatures. With 122 pages front and back, plus some doilies. On the front here we have this detachable little ribbon lace charm bead dangly. On it we have this, I thought went very nice with the feathers with the birds. We have some beads here and a little leaf charm, some more beads and a heart charm, and up here, that's the way I've got it stood, so it's normally seeable. We have a little butterfly charm and a couple of other little bead things there, and when it's stood right you can see them like that. It's fastened with some ribbon, with some eyelets. Okay, in the front here we have a little pocket. Oh, I hope you can see that okay. We have an old postcard with some flowers on. You can journal on the back there. And we have this little envelope with some little journaling card, some tea-dyed paper on the back. We have a corner flip here, some more writing space. And we have a couple of journaling cards there. Really pretty scrapbook paper. We have some little bits of stamping throughout and some bits of washi. Clipped on here, and I will put some ribbon on here, I've missed that. We have a little envelope with a journaling card there. This page here is slightly stented. Got some lovely, that's a passage from a Thomas Hardy. There's some lovely pictures on some of these pages. We have a visitor's sheet book. And this page here is from a 1901 book. And we have a spot there, and we have a journaling card there. This is actually some pretty wrapping paper, some washi, doily, some more paper. So that's tea-dyed paper. This is some really old choir sheet music. I'll get to, I think it says on the other side how old it is. That's some scrapbook paper. This is a piece of Edith Holden. So it's got some lovely birds and flowers on there. And then going back through, that choir sheet is 1911. So that's very old. We have some more washi. And here we have an envelope. A little rose journaling card. And an altered playing card. And that's Tim Holtz. A little bit of washi. We have a little fabric flip here with some lovely lace. This is the other side of that scented paper. We've got some lovely images on here. Here we have clipped on with a paper clip. It's flip out so you can stick something in there or write in there. And now on to signature 2. It's basically the same layouts. Another flip with some stamping. And in it we have another envelope. And a couple of journaling cards. Some more washi and some stamping. Another piece of scented paper, and nice image on the other side. And we have a little envelope made from some more wrapping paper and a tag here. Absolutely love this, it's really pretty paper. Some more washi, and another one of the 1901 book pages. Got a tuck spot there and an altered card there. And we've got this on the edge here. This is some more wrapping paper, some stamping. Tea-dyed paper, this is more of that 1911, I believe it was, choir sheet music. Some more scrapbook paper and another Edith Holden. Some more birds, really pretty. And I'm going back through, a bit more washi, just a bit of stamping. I've got a pretty flower journaling spot there, another altered card, and another Tim Holtz piece there, and another little piece of fabric. Oh, these do have, it's the centred page, it does have some washi just secure in the middle a bit more, so it's not so delicate. Lovely image there, some more washi. On here we have an old postcard with some lovely flowers on, and another flip out. You can write on there if you wanted. You could leave it free or you could glue it in and then just have it so it opens up like that. Oh. Get that back on there. There we go. Third signature, some more scrapbooking paper with another corner flip and some stamping. Tim Holtz here, scrapbooking page. This is just a scrap paper pad stapled together. It's a bit of stamping. Another piece of that scented book page. A little kind of poem there. This is a little envelope I've made from the same paper as that. And it's got a journaling card there. A bit of washi. And we've got altered card there and a little journaling card. Another altered card here with a Tim Holtz butterfly. This is that 1901 paper. That's wrapping paper doily. And we've got some more washi and stamping. Again, this is the old choir paper. Scrapbook paper. And another Edith Holden in the middle. Some more washi. Stamping there. Tea-dyed paper. And on here we have another envelope and a journaling card. And we've got an altered playing card here and another Tim Holtz. Got another fabric flip there. A little bit of washi again, and then we have another smaller of those little flip outs. Then in the back we have another pocket. We've got another old postcard with some tulips, and there's this little folio type thing. It's got a little tiny spot here. This is like a bit like a handmade stamp. It's into a tuck spot. A little bit more journaling space and things. And that's the back. Oops. Okay, and that is that. This will be in my Etsy shop shortly. Any questions about it? Please send me a message. Thank you for watching. Bye.